Hello to all of you. Today we start a new topic, that is acids and bases. Acids and bases. What are acids and what are bases? Okay, let's we do one by one. That means we compare acid and base according to the points. Okay, so our first point is, firstly, how can we identify acids and base in our daily life? All substances which are sour in taste are acids, and substances which are bitter in taste are base. Common example is curd, lemon, all citrus fruits, and which are bitter in taste, like soap. Common example is soap, sour in taste and bitter in taste. Next, secondly, acid and base. How can we identify acid and base chemically? We all know that in our laboratory we can't taste any chemical substance. It may be harmful for us. So for this we have some indicators. Indicators are those substances which indicate that it is an acid or it is an base, because they give different color with acids and base respectively. Okay, so we have a indicator, common indicator, that is litmus. Litmus give or it turn into red with acid. It turn into red with acid, and with base it turn into blue. Blue B base. Okay, and it turn into red. This is the again a difference between acid and base. Number 3, acids conduct इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दे कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट करता है दैट आर ऑल्सो नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. दैट मीन्स एसिड्स आर very good conductors of electricity, and they are also known as electrolytes. In the same way, when we compare base as in to conduct electricity or not, that base also conduct electricity. Bases also conduct electricity, so they are also known as electrolyte. Now what happened, due to which acid and base both are good conductor of electricity? Always remember this point, why these two are good conductor of electricity. Anything which conduct electricity easily must contain ions or electrons. These two particular things are responsible. That means they must contain some charge or electron or ion to conduct electricity. So acid and base both have ions. Both have ions to conduct electricity. Okay, acid conduct electricity, base also conduct electricity. Both have ions to conduct electricity. For example, HCl. These are the common examples which I have write down here. H2SO4, HNO3. These are the common examples of acids, and these are the common example of base. NaOH, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. HCl gives H plus and Cl negative ion. This will give H plus and HSO4 negative ion. This will give H plus plus NO3 negative ion. And in case of this, they will give Na plus OH negative, Ca2 plus OH negative, Mg2 plus OH negative. That's why these all acids and all bases conduct electricity due to presence of ion, because they split into ions in aqueous solution. One more thing, they split into ions in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution. So you must remember this thing, in aqueous solution. Sometimes we have a question that in aqueous solution both acids and bases conduct electricity, but in dry form they do not conduct electricity. Why? Because in dry form they do not split into ions. That's why they do not conduct electricity. Okay, these are the main points of acids and bases, main general points of acid and bases. After this also we have many points, but after this we have some chemical properties. These are the physical properties. Okay, after this we have chemical properties, which we do in the next lecture. Thank you.